our day 3. We are going to Kyoto today and go to Kiyomizudera. Just to share with you, based on AccuWeather, it's 9 degrees now outside. So, kahapon 12 degrees, sobrang ginaw na kami. Ngayon 9 degrees pa. So, just to share with you our outfit.
Your outfit.
My outfit. Thick sweater. Pero naka-sweater pa ako ulit sa ilalim and thermal at nakasando pa po ako sa loob. So, 4 layers tayo today. The range of the weather for today is 6 degrees to 13. So, sana makaya niya. We'll see. Hello, nandito kami sa Kamishinjo Station. Galing kaming Nipponbashi. Tama naman yung nasakyan namin. Papuntang Tenjinbashi Shuji. Tas sabi niya, remain on board and we go down Awaji Station. So tama naman yung nasakyan namin. We did not go down the train, we remained on board. Pero pagdating ng Awaji Station, we have to transfer to the Hankyu line. And supposedly, we're supposed to ride the Limited Express train going to Karasuma Station. Medyo dun lang kami nagkamali kasi yung nasakyan namin yung local train. So, medyo nagpanic kami kasi iba yung station na nakikita namin. So, bumaba kami dito to check. Pero tama naman pala, yung local train lang yung nasakyan namin. So, we're waiting for the other local train going to Karasuma Station. Nandito na kami sa Karasuma Station. Nakalipat naman kami ng Limited Express ulit. So now we have to transfer to the bus going to Kiyomizudera na. Nandito na kami sa labas ng Daimaru sa Karasuma, sa bus station. We're waiting for bus 207 going to Kiyomizumichi. Ito yung parang Makati nila. And there's our bus 207. Ay, puno. Tingnan natin kung makakasakay kami. Hindi na. Hindi kami umabot. It's full. Ayan na, there's another bus. Sana mas maluwang siya. Ay, perfect. Ito sa Blessing pa. Maluwang yung bus namin. Yung kanina, siksik. Nandito na kami sa papuntang Kiyomizudera. Bumaba na kami ng bus. So ngayon maglalakad kami going to Kiyomizudera. Susundan lang din namin yung mga tao. Feeling ko dun din sila papunta. It's actually raining a little already. So hopefully hindi siya lumakas. Ayan. Paakyat siya ng konti. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ang traffic ha. Dito sa street na to. It's traffic. At lumalakas na yung ulan. Winner.
So, bumili si Iyos ng payong kasi umuulan.
At medyo lumalakas na.
Sa cotton candy.
Isa lang? You need one?
Ako Nona. And Tia with her newly purchased jacket with hood. And that is our destination, I think.
Ako lang yung walang hood. Buti na lang, bopes siya. Kasi yung isa wala ding hood pa yun.
Yan, so buti na daw, bumili siya. Tapos mabait siya, oh. Siya pa yung nagbuklat. And si madam na, tinan nyo, madam na madam. Itago mo muna yung mga pera mo.
Teka lang, yun na ang maghaharap.
Yan, si madam na madam talaga, si ophthalmologist yung nagpapayong sa kanya.
Pakabait talaga ng mga kaibigan ko.
Very supportive.
Oh, ayan. Napabili ako ng umbrella. 600 yen. Kasi biglang lumakas yung ulan. Sus. We're still walking. It's quite a hike. Pataas siya. Sabi kay Google Maps, mga 6 minutes pa na walk. Guys, mas mura yung payong dito. Nabudol na naman ako. Joke lang. 600 yung bili ko. Bibili na din sila ng payong kasi malakas yung ulan. Mas mura yung payong nila. Ako 600 yan, sila 500 yen. What's there? I think this is the street yung marami ng mga tinda. mga pagkain. Yan. Unfortunately, it's raining and hopefully it will stop soon so we can enjoy our walk here in Kiyomizu-dera. Daming tao. There. Medyo maraming tao. Kasi it's a Sunday today, so I guess that's why ang dami ding tao. Ayan yung mga shops. Malapit na kami sa temple. I can see the gate. There. Look at that view. Ayan yung street na nilakaran namin. We're gonna go up and see. Yeah, see what we can do if kaya naming pumasok. But I think there's an entrance fee. Buti umaraw na pala. May may konting ambon pa pero may araw na. So good. Alam niyo, ang weird lang. Kakatapos lang ng ulan. Tapos ngayon naman ang tirik ng araw. Well, umuulan pa rin pero ang liwanag ng araw. I think we have to pay entrance fee over there. So we'll check kung magkano siya. It's 500 yen. To enter. 200 for kids, 500 for adults. Are we entering? Enter. Alam nyo, sinabi ko kay George, kailangan ko palandalin talaga yung mga kaibigan ko dito kasi Kiyomizu-dera Temple is a temple for relationships.
Ah, ganon?
O, diba? Bagay na bagay sa mga single friends ko. So, pasok tayo. Baka pagkagaling dito, may love life na sila.
They will fall into our lap.
Ito yung maghuhugas ka ng kamay before entering the temple, sacred water. So we will wash our hands. We're inside already. Ayan na yung bundok. This is the view here. May small pagoda doon sa dulo. There. Some trees are orange. Ay, ang daming tao, guys. So, I think kailangan pa namin maglakad papunta doon and then we go there on that side. Kung nasan yung pagoda. Ayun. Ito yung pwede ka magpausok for good fortune.
10 yen.
Ah, may bayad. Ito yung incense. 10 yen. Bayad ka na. Ayun. Drop the point there. Get the incense. Thank you. And then put it here for good fortune. Ayan. And then you stick it. Ay! Nahulog. Dito naman you can make a wish. You get one for 300 yen. You put your name at the back and your wish here in front. And then you put it here. Tapos sinusunog nila. So ayan, ang instructions. Gomagi. So nakalampas-lampas na kami ng konti dun sa crowded area. Umaambon na naman. So tatawid kami dun sa kabilang side. There. Meron din pababa doon, no? I think this is the shortcut. Going to the fountain. Parang yan yung wishing fountain. Pero dito muna tayo. I think we'll end up there also.
Yung pinakadulo yata.
Oo. May Buddha dito. And look at this view. There. And there's Kyoto Tower. I don't know if you can see. Ang daming tao dito sa part na to. Grabe. Hindi kaya bumagsak to. They're all there. Nilampasan na namin yung area na yun na sobrang daming tao. Papunta naman kami dito. Ito, ang ganda na nung leaves. Medyo orangey na siya. This is maple, no? Uy. Koyasunoto, Easy Childbirth Pagoda. Siyempre, wag na tayong pumunta dyan.
Kasi 70 na tayo by the time. Nag-18.
So, hindi tayo sa childbirth. Bababa tayo dito. Ah, grabe matarik. Careful. Ay, ito yung papunta sa Childbirth Pagoda. Ay, hindi natin kailangan din yan, lalo naman ako. So, dito na lang tayo pababa. I think this is the one going to the fountain. Umuulan na. Okay, sige. Sulitin ang 500 yen na payong.
Bibili-bili tayo, damit yun na.
May parang cafe dito. Ang galing, nakakaaliw. Tatami. There. Ayan. So, pag nagutom, pwedeng kumain dito sa loob ng temple. So, doon kami nanggaling sa taas. Ito yung wishing fountain for relationships. Girls, ano na? Kailangan pong pumila. Ano ginagawa nila? Kinukuha nila yung water. Tapos, maghuhugas ang kamay. Maghuhugas. Ang layo. Maghuhugas. Okay. I think we're already going to the exit. Ito yung, temple. Ayan, ang paa niya. Sabi nila, they're all wood. Ang galing.
It's a special way of
constructing. Tapos there's no nail.
Yes.
Wala siyang nail. They're all wood put together. Tsaka kami galing sa taas. Yung maraming tao kanina. And this is going to the exit already. Okay. Nandito na kami ulit back to the entrance ng Kiyomizu-dera Temple. So, we'll grab a bite. Time check, it's 2:10 p.m. So, buti na lang wala ng ulan. So, hanap kami ng makakain muna kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Ito may fish cake. Parang I want fish cake. Nakapila na kami dito. We'll try the shrimp. I will try the shrimp and mayonnaise for 400 yen. Parang ito yung specialty nila. Si Yuba and cheese. Pero I will get the shrimp mayonnaise.
I will try the Yuba and cheese.
The Yuba and cheese is for 500 yen. Naka-order na kami. Yan siya. Si fish and mayonnaise. Ito yung Yuba and cheese. And the white peach shake. We'll try. Masarap naman, pero hindi siya same texture ni fish cake. Ito siya. Ayan. Yung yuba. Pati yung itsura. Ito yung parang mas squid balls niya, yung itsura.
Squid.
Tapos may, pockets of cheese. Nakakaaliw lang kasi meron siyang seating area dito sa loob. So, pwede ka munang mag-rest while eating. Mahanap kami ulit ng, pwedeng i-food trip. Whatever interesting we find. Kaya lang hirap kasi there's a blanket of people. Ang kapal ng tao, ang hirap sumilip. Parang may pa-free. Free taste. May pa-free taste ng drink. Matcha ayaw niya ng matcha. It's good.
Sobrang matcha. Masarap, pero
sa akin naman hindi. Ang sarap. Oo. Ako naman I like it. It's good. Return pack here. Tindahan pala siya ng matcha, Pia. Hindi siya kainan. Sa souvenir shop. Pero dito sa tindahan na to, ang daming free taste. Lahat ng flavor. Chocolate banana. Siyempre ayoko yan kasi banana yan. Masarap.
the banana tastes like Frutella.
Frutella? Tikman natin si Sesame. Tasang butchi. Sesame. Yes. This is caramel. Gusto ko si Sesame. Weird yung lasa ni caramel. Subukan natin to. Parang barquillos. Masarap siya. Para siyang cinnamon flavored Barquillos.
Para siya
May tinge of cinnamon.
honey bun.
Ah, cinnamon nga. Cinnamon. Masarap. Ngayon siya, 600 yen. 3 days kami, napusog kami. Pero uy, hindi naman bumili si Pia ha. She bought. Yeah. May saysay naman yung pag free taste namin.
Mom, this is for you.
Yago! Hello, Yago. We're here in Tio Mizodera. Tita Pia has something for you and Lola.
Yes! Ay,
Isa.
sa bahay. May ganyan kami.
Dati. Yes. Meron kaming ganyan, Mama Floor, di ba? Meron kaming ganyan. Hindi ko na rin alam kung nasaan. Mahal pala siya, mother. Mahal pala yan. May ganyan din kami naka-frame, naka-ano palalagyan. Yeah. Cream puff. Can we try? Ayan, we'll try this cream puff. Kasi ako mahilig din ako sa cream puff. Here. Yatsuhashi. Wow. Cho. I got the vanilla flavor. I did not get the matcha. So we'll try. It's like crunchy bread. Bread. Ayan na siya. Vanilla custard. What's the taste? Vanilla. Na may cinnamon siya. May cinnamon. Yung custard. May tinge of cinnamon. Masarap. Kakaiba din kasi yung bread na. Hindi siya yung normal cream. This is for 380 yen, I think, if you remember correctly. We will continue to walk down and see again what else we can buy. Dami pa ring tao. Ito yung pipino for 300 yen. Are you trying? No? No. Pero we won't try. Another food stuff. Actually, nadaanan na kasi namin to kanina. Tapos na-curious kami. This is the cuttlefish.
Mine is the potato and butter.
So, ito dalawa.
And butter.
So, ito, octopus and paella. Tapos, share kami ng cheese.
Yes, it's the cheese. So, we'll try. Kasi, itadakimasu.
Hindi ko talaga yung culinary.
There.
Mine really has potato.
Yung nakakaaliw lang dito sa mga kainan dito sa Tio Mizodera. May eating area sila sa loob ng stores ha.
And very fancy.
Yeah. So we can rest. Ang galing. Meron din ditong beef bun. Parang masarap. Tapos si Kyoto Wagyu. Beef bun. Ito yung price niya. Pero nabusog na kami dun sa cuttlefish. Tapos ako nag-custard pa ako. Kaya busog na ako actually. Dito kami sa yung pwede kami paglagay ng name sa chopsticks. So, ayun yung mga different designs and the prices. Ayan. Parang ganito yung binili ni Nabi. This one. With her name. Ayan sila. Ito mahal 7,700 yen. A single artisan meticulously completed the process. Oh. Perfect octagonal shape from end to end. That's why it's expensive. 27,000 yen. Isa? Yes, one. 22,000. Bababa na kami ulit. But going home, we will be passing by Kyoto Station naman. Kasi both of them have not seen Kyoto Station pala. So, we'll try to pass by through there. Time check, it's 3:20. And medyo lumalamig na ulit. Kanina medyo mainit. Ngayon, medyo nanginginig na ulit yun. Naninigas na yung kamay ko.
Sandali lang. Mainit yung kanina. Ang dami niyang sapot.
Alam niyo, medyo confused talaga yung weather today May init, tas ngayon medyo umaambon na naman. Weather check, it's 12 degrees. Tas wala ng araw, kaya medyo malamig na. Baba na kami ulit dun sa bus station na binabaan din namin kanina. Tapos yung sasakyan naman daw naming bus going to Kyoto Station is bus 206. So yun naman yung aantayin namin. Ang sikip ng daanan pero may mga kotseng dumadaan. Ito yung dinaanan namin kanina, kaya lang kanina kasi umuulan. There. Ako bumili ng payong, 600 yen. So kung umuulan, umakyat muna kayo ng konti. Mas mura yung payong dun sa taas. Shosho lang sila dito. Pork bun na matcha yung bun. Ayan, 600 yen. Tapos they have the matcha flavored bun with beef bun. Gusto mo i-try?
Hindi na.
Ah, okay.
May makikita na naman tayo.
Nakapila na kami sa bus station. We can also ride this C58 going to Kyoto Station. Pero mahaba yung pila. May mga nag-a-assist naman dito sa bus station. I guess kasi ang daming tourists. So, may nagka-guide kung anong bus yung pwede mong i-take. Kung saan ka pupunta. May mga signs na sila. Ayan yung bus namin sa likod. 206, waiting. Yes, we're here na in Kyoto Station. Grabe yung bus ha. Sobrang siksikan. Sobrang puno. Oo. Yung tipong magkakapalit kayo ng muka. Ganun kasikip.
Pero hindi pa naman tinutulang.
There are a lot of food options here. Yung pagbaba namin from the bus stop para tumawid dun sa main station. Ito si Porta Dining. Ayan. Si Porta Dining. Dito sa tapat ni Kyoto Station. Ang dami niya palang food options sa baba. So, pwede rin siyang puntahan kung nagugutom kayo dito sa Kyoto Station. So, there is Kyoto Station. Ayan siya. From the outside. There. Nang hapon. Kasi gabi kami dumating dito last time. There. And, there's the tower. Ayan, ang Kyoto Tower. So, ayan, Kyoto Station. Nandito kami sa second floor. Kasi we will try Mr. Donut here. Ayan. We've never tried eating at Mr. Donut here in Japan. And sinasabi nila masarap yung Mr. Donut dito. Kaya lang, oh my God, ang haba ng pila. There's the line. Oh my God. So it must be good, ha? Here. Andito na kami. Mabilis naman yung pila. Mr. Donut in Kyoto Station. I think I'm gonna get the churro. I don't know if they call it churro. Just honey churro. Yeah, honey churro. There. And coffee. Naka-order na kami. I got the honey dip churro and hot coffee. Cafe o leto actually.
Ako din. Cafe o leto.
Pero iced. And then this is your strawberry dip donut. And yung kay Pia yung bilog-bilog.
Angel pondering and the plain one.
Angel pondering.
Angel pondering.
Pondering. Pondering.
Akala ko nag-iisip yung
Akala ko
angel.
and pondering.
Yes. Pondering.
So hiwa-hiwala yun. Pondering. Ah, okay.
Parang doon na, angel pondering.
So, nandito kami sa taas. Nagpi-people watch. Yan. Habang kakainin namin ang aming donuts. We're done eating at Mr. Donut. So, umakyat lang kami so they can see all the stairs here in Kyoto Station. Ayan ang design niya ngayon. Autumn ang kanyang theme. Ayan. Here na on top of Kyoto Station, again, dun sa Sky Dining. Madilim na pero 4:30 PM pa lang. So, nag-CR lang kami actually. Pababa na kami ulit. Ayan. 5:30 pala. Sorry, it's 5:30 PM.
5:30, but looks like
It's 8 o'clock nga eh. Parang gabi na. Yeah. May bridge pala doon. Ngayon ko lang yun napansin. We will try to take the bullet train going to Osaka para ma-experience naman ni Mar yung bullet train din. It's a Short ride lang, pero 600 pesos lang, more or less 600 pesos lang naman din yung ticket. So, akyat kami ulit dun sa may Mr. Donut, tapos pasok daw dun sa loob. Nandun daw yung bilihan ng ticket, kaya pala hindi namin nakita last time. Ayan, so sa Mr. Donut floor, ito, turn left daw dito. Dito daw kami bibili ng ticket for the Shinkansen. Turn left. So, nandito kami, parang beside the JR office. May pilahan. Dito daw kami bibili ng Shinkansen tickets to Shinosaka Station. Nakapila na kami. Dito yung bilihan ng Shinkansen tickets. Second floor, akyat sa may Mr. Donut. Turn left and then dulo. Non-reserve na lang. Shinkansen, non-reserve. From Kyoto to Shinosaka. Today, 3 adults.
Please select a section for the basic fare ticket.
I guess. Selected for, okay, select. Outbound, yes. Kyoto, Shinosaka. Okay, confirm. 4,350 and for the 3 of us. There. And our change. Nakabili na kami ng ticket. Here, non-reserve lang kami kasi 15 minutes lang naman. So, okay lang yun. 1,450 yen lang naman yung ticket namin going to Shinosaka. Although hanggang Shinosaka siya. So, maglo-local train pa kami going to Nipponbashi. We're going in. There. So, now hanapin namin yung platform namin going to Shinosaka 417 track 13. Dito kami. We'll go here.
1, 2, 3.
Here's our train. Bullet train bar. For Shin Osaka, Nozomi 417. There. Instant Shinkansen ride. Yung mga nakapila, hindi naman pala sasakay. Inaantay namin. We're here in Shinosaka. Hindi man lang siya umabot ng ano eh. Parang 5 minutes ride lang siya from Kyoto to Osaka.
Just for the experience.
Yes, just for the experience. Kasi 6:11 kami sumakay. Tapos ngayon, parang 6:18 nandito na kami. No? Nakababa. Kasama na dun yung pila namin sa pagbaba.
Less than 10.
Yeah, less than 10 minutes. So we're here, at least nandito na kami kaagad sa Osaka.
That's the bullet train for you.
Yeah.
Less than 10 minutes.
We're out. We're already here sa Shinosaka Station. Now we will just go to the subway, Mitosuchi line. Then we will go to Namba Station. Magta-top up muna kami kasi 70 yen na lang yung laman ng IC card namin. Wala na kaming pera. So, here, we're lined up. Meron din daw dito. Wait, sabi niya meron din pala dito. So, wala nang pila doon. Meron din pala dito sa kabila. Pinalipat niya kami. Nandito na kami sa Namba Station. Maglalakad na lang kami dito sa Namba Walk for some sightseeing pabalik ng Nipponbashi. So, ito si Namba Walk. Marami din kasi mga shops dito. May Mr. Donut din pala dito na piya eh. Kahapon naghahanap kami Mr. Donut, wala kami makita. Palabas na kami ng station. Biglang may surge ng hangin. Ang lamig na naman. Weather report, kinaya ng sweater ko. Pero 4 layers to. Mas gininawa ko kahapon with my leather jacket. We're crossing na. And pit stop lang at 7-Eleven ulit. And then go back home na. We're going to cook our dinner tonight. Hello! we're at home na. So, ang itinerary namin for tonight is home cooking. So, ito na yung resulta ng mga pinag-grocery namin sa Kuruman Market yesterday. So, ayan ang aming chef cooking for us dinner. There's our Japanese corn cooking already, boiling. Mia is now cooking the scallops with butter. So, habang nagluluto ang aming chef, nag-a-appetizer muna kami dito nitong salad. Natikman ko to last time when we were here from 7-Eleven. Masarap siya ha. I really like it. Macaroni, bacon, vegetable, and mayonnaise. Ayan. So, you try it. It's good. Ayan na, luto na yung isa naming steak. The other one is cooking. We got this from Kurumon. This is Wagyu sirloin steak, I think. For the both of them, it's 5,300 yen. 500 grams. So, mga 2,500 pesos. There's our corn. And our gulay. Ayan na siya. With the scallops.
Mushroom.
Yes. Let me just show you.
Butter knife?
Yes, butter knife lang ang gamit niya, but it can slice the steak. Wow, so tender. And here is our steak. There. Itadakimasu! This is our dinner for tonight. With our corn, steak, and sauteed veggies with scallops. Itadakimasu! Bumili nga pala kami ng microwavable rice from 7-Eleven. Hello everyone!
Sorry, time check.
Time check is 12 midnight. At kaming dalawa ay nasa labas na naman. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner sa bahay at nagkwentuhan. So ngayon, the two of us decided to go to Donkey. Kasi 24 hours siya. Yung isa naming kasama na iwan na dahil hindi siya ma-shopping. Yeah. So kaming dalawa, yan ang aming passion. Yes. So kaming dalawa ay mag-shopping muna.
Ng bilin.
Ng mga bilin. Actually, not for us. Yung mga, ayan na, yung mga nagbibilin na, Buday. Special shout out. Lalabas ako ng midnight para mabili yung mga bilin mo. Yeah, so we're going to Donkey in Dotonbori. Weather update pala. It's 8 degrees tonight ha. Pero in fairness, yung aking sweater, nakaya naman siya. Although naka 4 layers ako today. Ayan na, tatawid na kami. Malapit na kami kay Dotonbori. Dumaan kami dito sa Sugi Drug. It's just in front of our hotel. Andun lang yung apartment namin para i-compare yung price. Ngayon naman pupunta kami kay Donkey. Imagine ha, it's 12:30. Diba? Pero hindi kami natatakot na lumakad ni Pia kahit dalawa lang kami. 12:30 na. Ganito ang itsura ni Dotonbori at 12 midnight. Walang tao, puro basura. Puro basura na lang ang makikita. Not so much people. Pero marami pang drugstores na bukas ha. Tapos may mga restaurants. Si Sukiya, 24 hours. Diba? Si Lola, nagbabike pa. Midnight. Dito na kami sa Dotonbori River. Bukas pa si Takoyaki. Pero may pila pa rin ha. At saka busog na busog ako, may gali. May pila pa rin at this hour. Oh, grabe. Now, there's Donkey. Okay, so magsha-shopping muna kami. Bye. Bye. Hello. Time check, it's almost 2 AM at nandito pa rin kami sa Dotonbori. Pero kasi galing na kaming Donkey. Galing kaming Donkey dito yung may Ferris wheel. Unfortunately, wala siyang laman. As in,
Sa walang laman.
well,
Pero
yeah, pero
lang.
yeah, most of the racks are empty. So, lilipat kami dun sa Donkey sa kabilang side and see if they have what we are missing at 2 AM. Imagine. This is shopping in Japan, 24 hours.
This is commitment.
Yeah, to donkey. Hello. Siyempre, pagod na itsura namin, no? Papakita ko lang sa inyo, ha. Nasa donkey kami. Look at that. Walang tao. Ang sarap mag-ikot kasi walang tao, pero pagod na kami. Inaantok na ako. Ayan! Wait, I'm getting. I like these chips. Itong parang lumpiang Shanghai sa atin. Oh, but there's really no more assorted. Ganyan na lang siya. Hinahanap ko yung assorted. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong flavor yung gusto ko. Okay. Anyway, mag-iikot lang kami. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo, walang tao si Donkey. I don't know if it's the time. It's 2 AM. Pero kami lang ang laman. Kakatapos lang na yung mag-shopping dyan kay Donkey. Time check, it's 3 AM. Yung magaling kong kaibigan, iniwanan ako tumawid. Andun na siya. Anyway, inom muna kami kasi pagod na kami. Time check, it is almost 3. It's almost 3 AM at nasa labas pa kami ng kalsada. Pero, look, solong-solo namin si Dotonbori. Walang tao kay Glico. At sa bridge, look at that. Be-break lang kami sandali kasi sa kabilang kanto pa yung apartment namin. At marami kaming bit-bit. By the way, I'll show you. 1 plastic, 2 plastics. All the Ichiran ramens are there. Ang bilin ng mga kids. 3 plastic. 4 plastics.
Times 2 for me.
Siya din. May bit-bit din siyang 4. So, pahinga muna kami. Anyway, I'll end our day here na rin. Actually, next day na. I'll end it here na.
Good morning, Yago.
Yago, good morning. It's 3 AM here in Dotonbori. So, thank you for joining us. See ya. See you again tomorrow. Watch out for our next vlog. Oh yeah,
See you
later na
later.
pala. Watch out for the next vlog. Good night! Habol ko lang, yung Dragon Ramen. Open 24 hours din pala siya. May kumakain pa at 3 AM. May mga tao. This is the perfect time for you to eat ramen pala. Walang pila. Walang tao. Ayan o. But of course, we will not eat right now. At 3 AM, we're so tired. We're going home. Bye! Good night!